Megacities. A megacity is a city with more than 10 million people. In 2017, there were 16 megacities in the world. 6 of them were in China. In China, lots of cities are getting bigger. They build a new skyscraper every 5 days. This is Shenzhen. It's a very big city. But 40 years ago, it was a small town with only 30,000 people. But then the big companies arrived. Very soon, there were big factories and lots of jobs for people. These days, there are huge supermarkets, shopping centers, and skyscrapers. More than 18 million people live in and around Shenzhen. They make things like mobile phones, tablets, and computers now. Skyscraper. There are many skyscrapers around the world. Factories. There are many factories in my town. Shopping center. There are many shopping centers in my town.